What's going on, everyone? Eddie here. Welcome back to Hotshot Tech. Talking about everything that we know so far about the newly released iPhone SE, all in 3 minutes or less. Okay, that said, let's begin. So the iPhone SE will be available to pre-order on April 17th with a starting price of $399. That's just for the 64GB version. Then there's also a 128GB version that starts at $449. It's $549 for the 256GB model. Then there will be 3 different color choices to choose from. You got the standard white, black, and Apple's product red color option. The screen size looks to be the exact same 4.7 Retina high definition display with True Tone LCD screen we've seen like on the iPhone 8. The front is also paired with Touch ID with that sapphire crystal solid state button. There is, however, no audio jack, but does have support for wireless Qi charging and fast charging. A Apple fast charger is not included inside the package, as it's also clarified right here, and a 30-minute charge will allow this device to charge up to 50%. Then its internals is using a A13 Bionic processor, the same one that's found on the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro, which is more enough for gaming, and it's said to be super energy efficient on the iPhone SE for the best battery life. Video playback is estimated to last up to 13 hours under a single charge. And then there is a new dual SIM setup for dual numbers. Wi-Fi 6 and gigabit class LTE are the 2 connectivities for high-speed internet data. The body is made from aerospace grade aluminum and durable glass with a water and dust resistant rating of IP67, which is able to withstand water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. A single 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture wide camera is equipped on the back that's capable to shoot portrait mode in all 6 portraits, lighting effects, and depth control, and it's able to record videos at 4K up to 60 FPS with stereo recording. The front-facing camera is a 7 megapixel sensor that can shoot 1080p at 30 FPS, and it's able to play that audio with the stereo speaker setup. So without a doubt, this iPhone SE, not the iPad, but the image that I have here, it's definitely Apple's most affordable and powerful smartphone available in today's day. This is basically like putting a Hellcat engine in your everyday Jeep, but by selling it for half the cost of the Demon Hellcat. In other words, this phone is extremely powerful. But that's basically all the important things there is to know about the new iPhone SE. Let me know down in the comments what kind of comparison testing you want to see done on the new iPhone SE as soon as mine arrives for some future videos. And if you enjoy these quick overview product review videos, leave a like so I can see how many of you guys like to see this series continue. Want to see 20 amazing things you could do with a pair of AirPods? You can go ahead and watch this video over here. And then this video over here, that is a video that YouTube thinks that you will like. Feel free to watch either or. Again, thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.